Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not working issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to get access to your YouTube videos with your mobile devices, but you're not being able to do so since your YouTube is not working properly, then here are some troubleshooting methods you could try out. The first thing to do is to simply reboot your iPhone. Rebooting your iPhone will give a fresh start and it has the potential to fix minor software issues. So without further ado, let's go ahead and restart your iPhone. Simply slide and power off your iPhone and restart it back again. Once you reboot your system, enter your passcode and now go to your YouTube application and see if that fixes any of your problem. If that works for you, then congratulations. If it still does not work, then the next thing to do is to try using YouTube on a web browser. Sometimes the app you're using might have some temporary problem, which might be the main cause why you are not being able to use your YouTube app. So in that case, open up your Safari and go to www.youtube.com and see if that fixes your issue. The next thing to do if it still does not work is to check for an update if there is an available update for your YouTube app. To do that, simply go open up your App Store, bring up the search button at the bottom right hand corner and type in YouTube into the search box. Once you make a search, if there is an available version of YouTube, you'll be able to see an update button popping up right next to YouTube app. But if you see an open button, it means your application is already updated. Tap on the update button if it needs an update and you'll be able to download the latest version of YouTube. After you are done, simply tap on open and see if that fixes your issue by refreshing the main homepage of YouTube. If it still does not work, then you can always uninstall and reinstall your YouTube app back again. Simply go and find YouTube application from your app drawer and give it a long press. And now tap on remove app from the pop-up menu and tap on delete app to confirm your deletion. Soon after you delete your YouTube app, go back to App Store, search for YouTube and download the application again. Once you download your application back again, tap on open and see if that fixes your issue by logging into your Google account. And that's how you can solve your YouTube issue on your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.